Nice little ST. It's got a bird poo on it though. What's that all about? Who puts a bird poo on a car? That's not a mod. You can't modify cars like that. So we're here at Slam Society Meet, just walking around looking at cars, being really awkward, as possibly awkward as I can. Ben! That awkward. I mean, that's a Mustang with Lambo doors. Holy shit, it's insane.
Don't get me wrong, I like it. My name's got free.
I mean, I really like Mustangs in a minute. I keep looking at them every show I go to. I mean, we have metal bucket seats. That cannot be comfy.
I'll probably...
Definitely getting copyright strikes for this video, 100%. Do you want to swap? Hey bro, are you interested in a Fiesta? Is that a Supra? That is some fitment. Is that what we call it? Do we call it fitment? Is that the right word? Did I use the right word? That's quite a nice wrap, if it's a wrap. Fair play, Mr. Vauxhall. Fair play.
I like my job.
That's just not practical. That is a nice Evo. Yeah. I mean, it's a Picasso. Look at that. It's fucking awesome. I did not know these kind of cars existed in Kent. I hope this bounces. I really do. Do you think it bounces? Do you think he's gone all the way with it? I mean, Christmas trees, anyone? Christmas is coming. I don't know if you can hear me over all the bass, but we're going for it anyway. I mean, it's full Christmas mode, even on the door sills. Please tell me he drives along like that. I mean, I didn't know inside is all it RGB as well. Look at that. That is insane. And on the back seats. That is ridiculous. That is insane. So we have the Seat crew. I need a what? I need a drone. Shit. Oh, hang on. There's a drone up there. There is. Right above us. So that's what a welded diff sounds like.
I'm gonna walk away from that. That's fucking
Oh shit, I didn't see this. I do like the fronts of those. See you later, mate.
Yeah, sit down, mate.
Sorry, my shadow's in the way.
Oh.
My bad. But yeah, there's our little 3 Fiestas. So that's Tom's, mine, Ben's, and then we've been shown up by an RS. It's fair saying that we've been shown up by an RS, isn't it? Like, we have been shown up by an RS. Guy comes along and parks next to you and completely shows you up. Like, what are you gonna do? I feel a bit butthurt though. So yeah, I mean, if you want to recline, you can recline. Drive laying down, mate. Why not? I don't get it. Do you get it? I don't get it. Ben, I need your input. Don't be quiet on me, mate. Do you understand why people recline and drive on the floor?
No.
No. Okay.
Unless you're a gangster.
Tom, do you understand why people recline and lay on the floor while driving? You're on camera, you're under pressure, what are you going to say?
No.
Lee?
This makes it a drug dealer, doesn't it?
Makes it look like a drug deal. I mean, he's driving a BMW anyway, so... I mean, it can only end one way, right? So I've got to get it. That's how people end up run over. Instantly like, whoop. Oh, the Canon zoom though. Holy shit, it takes about 6 hours to actually zoom in. I'm zooming right into that P. Send it. Yeah, look at the speed. The speed. That's it, they're gone. Oh, we've stopped.
Still there.
What if they run over the RC car? That'll be sad.
I'll probably write that car off.
RC car comes out on top.